Organizational design is the process of structuring a company's roles, teams, workflows, and hierarchies to align with its goals and strategy. It involves defining responsibilities, decision-making processes, and communication channels to ensure that an organization operates efficiently and adapts to change. At its core, organizational design answers key questions like: how should work be divided among employees? Who reports to whom? How are decisions made and communicated? What structure best supports business growth and innovation? Key elements of organizational design. 1. Organizational structure: hierarchical, flat, functional, matrix, etc. 2. Roles and responsibilities: defining who does what. 3. Decision-making process: centralized versus decentralized authority. 4. Communication flow: how teams share information. 5. Workflows and processes: how tasks and projects are completed efficiently. Why is organizational design important? Improves efficiency by reducing redundancies and bottlenecks. Enhances collaboration between teams and departments. Boosts employee engagement with clear roles and responsibilities. Supports business scalability and adaptation in a changing market. In the next video, we'll explore the types of organizational structures and their impact on business success.